Are you one of those who's stuck with the operational management with traditional jobs, traditional thinking? We have now AI. AI is a game changer for the operational management, transforming the discipline from data efficiency, from focus to actually data-powered intelligent systems. AI is best and excels at automation of repetitive tasks. It frees up from the professional to focus on higher level strategic, personal problems, human interactions, and all gives you the best to work with innovative and data-driven sciences. AI is best in predictive maintenance and quality control. It senses your equipment before the downtime, before the errors occurs, and hence AI gives you best solution for the maintenance and increasing the lifespan of the equipment. AI monitors the quality control and hence reduction of the wastages. Finally, AI is one which optimizes your supply chain, which includes forecasting of demand, streamlining of inventory, and everything from management to identifying and reducing the cost. AI enhances the customer satisfaction. Enroll yourself in Online MBA with Operational Management as elective offered by Manipal University Jaipur.